This screencast will take you through the steps necessary to download and run the Manzanar Virtual Camp on your Mac. We'll assume that you already have Minecraft installed on your Mac and a paid subscription to let you play. If this isn't the case, then you'll want to visit our Introduction to Minecraft webpage and follow instructions there. Now, to download the Manzanar Virtual Camp, you'll want to click on manzanar.zip on our Manzanar webpage. This will send the zip file to your Downloads folder. Double-click on that zip file and find that you now have a Manzanar folder in your Downloads folder. Leave it there for now. Next, open a new Finder window. To do this, you might need to click on your blue Finder icon and then type Command-N. The next step is a bit funky. On the menu bar at the top of your screen, first click on Go. Then, while you're looking at the drop-down menu, tap the Option button on your keyboard. Doing that reveals an additional menu item called Library. Click on that. In the Library folder, click first on Application Support, then on Minecraft, and finally on the Saves folder. Now go back to that first Finder window, your Download folder, and drag the Manzanar folder, not the zip file, but the Manzanar folder, into your Saves folder. Once that's done, open up Minecraft and click on the Play button. This will prompt Minecraft to load. Click Single Player. In the next window, select the Manzanar world, then click Play Selected World. You should now find yourself in the Manzanar Virtual Camp in Minecraft.